Welcome to another video from the advist-Academy. In this video, we take a look at what a job is and what it can be used for. Today you will learn the theory behind jobs in the SAP system. Jobs are used to automate business processes and minimize manual entries. Jobs are practical for many transactions, such as the ME59N for automatic order generation from a purchase requisition or the VL10E for sales order scheduling. To avoid having to carry out these transactions manually again and again, jobs can be created to run these transactions at predefined intervals. A set job does not work with transactions or transaction codes like an end user, but with programs. A program is assigned to each transaction. Programs can also be called reports and replace the manual call of a transaction if they are stored in a job. To ensure that the job executes what it was created for, it is necessary to create a variant of the program or report. All specified values that would otherwise have been entered manually in the predefined input masks are saved in this variant. Variants are described in more detail below. On this slide, you can see how the individual components are related to each other. A program is assigned to each transaction. Each program can have different report variants that contain different input values, such as different materials or suppliers. A program and a variant can then be assigned to a job. Furthermore, a job is given an interval at which it should be repeated. This could be once a week, daily, or hourly. Similar to reports within a job, the jobs themselves can be switched one after the other or even in parallel. A job can have different triggers. One possible trigger is a specific time rhythm or a predecessor job. The length of a job chain is not restricted by SAP, and it is possible to connect jobs in series or even in parallel. It is important to know that if a job within a job chain terminates unplanned, the entire chain terminates automatically. This results in an increased risk with particularly long chains. If, in the example shown, a job 2 has an error and therefore terminates, job 3 and job 4 are not executed. The next time this job chain is called, job 1 is started again.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.